Have you ever felt like you've kind of hit a wall with your investing? You've got the basics down, but there's another level. You're ready for it. Well, today, we're not just talking about investing. We're going to talk about what it really takes to trade like a pro. Let's dig into what that leap actually feels like.
So if that sounds like you, if you are truly ready to elevate your game, then you're in exactly the right place. We are about to unpack the skills, the tools, and most importantly, the mindset that separates the serious professionals from everyone else.
All right, here's our roadmap for this journey. Think of it as 5 key stages. First, we'll answer the call to adventure. That's the why. Then we'll dive into your advanced arsenal, the powerful tools of the trade. After that, something absolutely crucial, the art of capital defense. Then we'll get practical and talk about building your mission control, and we'll finish with the final transformation, adopting the master's mindset. Let's jump in.
Okay, first up, the call to adventure. This is all about understanding that huge shift in thinking, that different approach that really separates an amateur investor from a professional trader.
Here's the real key. Going pro isn't just about using more complicated stuff for the sake of it. No way. It's a total shift in how you think. It's about moving from just hoping a stock goes up to executing a clear strategy. It's moving from guessing to using data. And it's definitely about moving away from gambling and toward disciplined, calculated risk management.
So now that we've got the right mindset, let's talk about the gear. Because a pro trader's arsenal, well, it goes way, way beyond just buying and selling stocks.
This really lays it all out, doesn't it? When you buy a stock, your risk is pretty straightforward. But with derivatives like futures and options, you're stepping into the world of leverage. That means you're controlling a huge asset with just a little bit of your own capital. Now that can seriously amplify your gains. But, and this is a big but, it is a double-edged sword. It can magnify your losses just as easily.
And believe me, the toolkit just keeps going. Imagine trading on the future price of crude oil, or betting on how the euro will move against the dollar, or using really complex option strategies to basically build a shield around your portfolio. The entire global market, it pretty much becomes your playground.
You know what they say, with great power comes great responsibility. And that brings us to maybe the single most critical section, the art of capital defense. Look, this isn't about being scared or limiting your profits. It's about making sure you can stay in the game long enough to actually make those profits.
I really want you to let this one sink in. Risk controls are not just a nice idea or some optional setting. They are the absolute bedrock of a long, successful trading career. They're what stands between you and that one bad trade that can wipe you out completely.
So, how do you build this shield? Well, it rests on these 4 pillars. You've got stop losses, which automatically cut your losses on a trade. You've got position sizing to make sure no single trade can ever sink your entire ship. Then there's diversification to spread your risk around. And finally, leverage control, which is all about not getting in over your head in the first place.
Let's make this super practical. Setting a stop loss is a simple 3-step move. Step 1. Before you even think about hitting buy, you decide the absolute maximum you are willing to lose on that trade. Step 2. You immediately place that stop loss order with your broker. And step 3, this is the hardest part for everyone, you don't touch it. You let your plan do the work and you take your emotions right out of the equation.
Okay, so we've got our strategy and our defenses in place. Now we need a base of operations. It's time to build your mission control, your personal trading setup.
Just think of your broker as your co-pilot. You absolutely need someone you can trust, especially when things get turbulent. That means you need rock-solid reliability, fees that are low and transparent, no nasty surprises, and of course, security that's basically Fort Knox. On top of all that, you want the best possible navigation tools, high-quality research to help guide your decisions.
And that leads to a really important point. Your broker might build the fortress walls, but you are the commander. Protecting your capital, securing that account, that's your job.
Seriously, if you only do one thing after watching this, please do this. Enable 2-factor authentication. It's like putting a second deadbolt on that digital fortress. Even if a thief somehow gets your password, they still can't get in without that code from your phone. It's a non-negotiable.
So here's the action plan. It's so simple. 1. Turn on 2FA right now. 2. Use a password that is long, complicated, and totally unique to that account. And 3. Just get in the habit of checking your account activity regularly. These simple habits are what keep your fortress secure.
Okay, we've talked about the tools, the defenses, the whole setup. But you know what?
None of it means anything without this final piece of the puzzle. This is the last and most important step, the final transformation into the master's mindset.
This slide just nails it, doesn't it? It shows the two paths you can take. The amateur is basically strapped into an emotional roller coaster, jerked around by fear and greed. But the pro? The pro is in the cockpit, calmly flying the plane based on a solid flight plan and the data on their instruments. It's the difference between being a passenger and being the pilot.
And here's the big secret. Discipline isn't some trait you're born with. It's a habit. It's a muscle you build over time. It's the habit of sticking to your strategy, even when it's hard. The habit of learning from every single trade, win or lose. And the habit of always staying curious and ready to adapt.
So if there's one thing to take away from all of this, it's this. Becoming a pro-level trader isn't like crossing a finish line. It's not a destination you arrive at one day. It's a result of the discipline you bring to the market every single day, in your research, in your risk management, and in your own mind.
Look, we've laid out the map for you, from that first call to adventure all the way to the master's mindset. We've shown you the advanced tools for your arsenal and the shields you need to defend your capital. The path forward is clear, so the only real question left is, what will your trading journey look like?